Alright guys, Dominic here for KitGuru, and today we're actually unboxing a Xiaomi Redmi 5. The reason we have got this in front of us is because we actually bought this phone from AliExpress, because really we're going to do a little experiment to see what is a £100 phone from China actually going to be like. So we thought it'd just be a little fun project for you guys. So starting our coverage with this unboxing, you can see it comes in a nice red box, and flipping over to the back, the features that they immediately point out are: you've got the 5.7 inch full screen, you've got a LED selfie light with a 12 megapixel rear camera, 3300 milliamp hour battery, and then there's a Snapdragon 450 as well. So starting off with the unboxing, I've not actually opened this yet, so it's a bit of a new experience for me as well. So I'll just get that out of the way. So straight away we've got in here what looks to be a little case. Yep, just a little silicone case there. Good to have it included. We have also got the phone itself. I'm going to put that to one side. We will come back to that in just a second. Also in here we have this little user guide. Charger, European, although the seller I actually got the phone from on AliExpress sent me a little adapter as well, which is nice. But you get your power brick, and then you get a charging cable. This one is actually micro USB charging cable, and obviously that means the phone uses micro USB. So if I just get that out of the way, now we can have a look at the phone itself. It's obviously got this little plastic protective cover on, so hopefully if this works well we can have a nice bit of peeling goodness. And then, so this is the 5.7 inch display. It's actually got the 18:9 aspect ratio, which gives it a kind of more modern, slightly sleeker feel. There we go, Xiaomi, me, the little symbol. However, the resolution of the screen is only 720 by 1440, so compared to what we're used to, it's obviously not very high. However, for this phone actually cost me £92 on AliExpress. You know, we've got to have realistic expectations. And now we've got the phone turned on, you can see the screen, and you can see you've got the very slim forehead and chin just at the bottom. It looks very sleek. So for £92, actually, it looks quite a premium device. It's also interesting, or you can see, you might be able to just see already if I get the light right, the back of the phone is quite a fingerprint magnet, and that is because the phone is actually made from an aluminium. It's made from aluminium. So for £92, again, that's impressive. Just be careful with your fingerprints if that's going to annoy you. I'm going to pop mine in the case pretty shortly. But the 12 megapixel camera as well, something we already pointed out, and you've actually got a fingerprint reader as well. So it seems to me, a few years ago, if you had £92 to spend on a phone, or £100, we're calling it the £100 experiment, you know, you wouldn't have any of these features. So the Redmi 5 looks pretty good so far on first initial impressions. Other features to mention, as we already said, we've got the 3300 milliamp hour battery. You've also got a 5 megapixel selfie camera at the top, and the processor is the Snapdragon 450. This model also has 2 gigabytes of RAM, and it comes with 16 gigabytes of storage, so that is obviously one area where corners have been cut quite significantly. However, there is a higher end model of the Redmi 5 which comes with 3 gig RAM and 32 gig storage. So that about wraps up for our unboxing. We're obviously going to bring you our full review of this phone coming very shortly. I just wanted to give you a first look at the phone. Obviously Xiaomi don't sell here in the UK, so we had to get this shipped in from China, and this is the look at the Xiaomi Redmi 5 with the full review coming soon. So I'm Dominic with KitGuru. This has been our quick look at the Xiaomi Redmi 5. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. You can also leave a comment below. Let us know any thoughts, what you're looking forward to about our review. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please do already. We'd also love to chat with you on Facebook and Twitter, so be sure to drop us a message over there. And other than that, we will see you in the next video.